Parametric equations for x and y are given as x equals to a into theta minus sine theta and y equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. Hence we need to find dy by dx without eliminating the parameter theta. So x equals to a into theta minus sine theta and y equals to a into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiate with respect to theta on both the sides. We get dx by d theta equals to d by d theta of a into theta minus sine theta. A is constant, so a into d by d theta of theta is 1 minus cos theta. Similarly, dy by d theta is minus a sine theta. Hence, dy by dx equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Replacing these values, we get dy by dx equals to minus a sine theta upon a into 1 minus cos theta. A cancel. We can write sine theta as 2 sine theta, sine theta as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and cos theta 1 minus cos theta as 2 sine square theta by 2. Hence we get sine theta upon 1 minus cos theta as cot theta by 2, which hence dy by dx equals to minus cot theta by 2 is the final answer. Thank you.